that together because, like I said, I'm actually going to sell this. So I'm screwing this back together. Pretty much the rest of it I'm just going to scrap. Like I said, I saw rust, and usually when there's rust it means liquid fell on it. Liquid falls on electronics. Everyone pretty much knows what that means. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see what we can do with this laser here. There you go. Again, I wouldn't trust the laser either just because the door was smashed up, which might mean that the laser was damaged and probably won't work. So we got some screws here, a bunch of screws here to get access to the motherboard so we can disconnect the drive properly. Yeah, usually Nintendo stuff, the older generations, pretty easy to take apart. Just some screws, a couple of cables, and everything's apart within max 10 minutes. Especially the original Nintendo, that was very easy and simple to open up. Obviously you shouldn't scrap those unless there's heavy damage to it. Get rid of the screws there. A few more screws here.